Hello everyone, and welcome to Market Update Daily, brought to you by CBN Financial. I'm your host, Nova. It's Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025, and here's the latest on today's markets. Wall Street saw notable gains today, boosted by news of a new US-Japan trade agreement that eased tariffs on key imports. The S&P 500 rose approximately 0.3% to a fresh closing high of 6,309.62. The Dow climbed about 0.5%, and the Nasdaq added 0.2%, hovering near record levels. Investor sentiment improved as futures rose ahead of the open, with S&P 500 futures up 0.31% and Dow futures ahead by 0.5% following the announcement of a $550 billion investment package and a 15% tariff on Japanese imports. The US-Japan deal, which lowers auto-related tariffs from 27.5% to 15% and locks in substantial Japanese investment in US industries, is seen as a mid-year reprieve from escalating global trade tensions. Markets across Asia also rallied. Japan's Nikkei jumped 3.5%, while the FTSE 100 in London hit a record 9,066.31, lifted by optimism around trade and earnings. ETF sector action was mixed. Cyclical sectors like consumer and industrials led the way higher, while tech felt the weight of mixed guidance from key chip makers. Vernova jumped nearly 13.7% following strong Q2 results, while Texas Instruments dropped over 12% on softer outlooks. Tesla and Alphabet earnings are due after market close, likely to be pivotal for markets later this week. Apple shares are trading around $214.38, with a P/E near 33.7 and EPS of $6.42, reflecting mixed sentiment. The stock has underperformed this year due to trade uncertainty and relative weakness in the space, especially compared to its tech peers. However, strong iPhone sales early in the June quarter, up 15% year over year, led Jefferies to raise estimates, pushing Apple up about 2.6% in early July. With trade tensions easing and fresh earnings ahead, markets are leaning bullish, but risks remain. Keep an eye on tomorrow's Fed decision and the July 31 Q3 earnings from Apple. That wraps today's Market Update Daily.